IOC Construction is a reconstruction general contractor that focuses on multifamily and commercial apartment properties. We're based in Batavia, but it's Chicago. So if you have a 38-story high-rise that needs every floor renovated, we can do that in a very short amount of time.
Before Acumatica, we had 4 separate instances of QuickBooks for each of the companies. The way that we tried to unify those 4 sets of books was through Salesforce, which is not really what Salesforce is for. From an accounting perspective, not having those instances talk to each other was chaos.
Every day was kind of playing like mystery solver. If we ran a project that had more than one trade, those projects would go into the different QuickBooks and everything would try to come together in Salesforce. So if you were going to, say, bill a project, you'd have to check all 5 to make sure that you've gathered all the information, and inevitably you'd miss something.
IOC is a textbook company that outgrew their old technology. You have data, but you can't use it. It's old data. You can't make good decisions on old data.
Construction is a messy, messy industry. It's complicated. There's a lot of moving parts. Acumatica has done a really good job of simplifying that data in a clear way for us to be able to make decisions off of it.
Now in Acumatica, you invoice it once, the costs go where they go, the revenue goes where it goes. The intercompany transactions happened in the background without having to do anything. It gave us a lot more visibility into how each company was performing on each of the projects.
After Acumatica, I felt like we had a centralized place for all of our information, and it made it effortlessly locatable.
I would absolutely recommend Strategies Group. They're really a trusted partner for us, helping us expand and come up with creative ideas and ways to use the system.
It really allows them to take actual active data and put it in front of people who need to make those decisions in the field and in the office. Acumatica is uniquely positioned today to provide construction companies that are growing like IOC a system that will grow with them for the next 20 plus years.
Acumatica has taken processes that used to take me 2 to 3 days in QuickBooks and turned it into a button click. If you're in the construction industry, Acumatica is a no-brainer. Having software that was purpose-built for something that you do is a much different world than trying to convert software that was built for a very generic group of business people and trying to tailor it to your industry.
With Acumatica, my daily tasks are cut at least half in time. When I build a project, it's seamless from opportunity to project. We have a really big trajectory for IOC for growth, and so we needed an ERP that could scale along with us, and that's what we found in Acumatica.
Having the data and the tools inside of Acumatica have really allowed us to put the customer first. We're able to give them the best price possible using historical data for our projects. We're able to give them updates on their project every step of the way. Acumatica is the perfect balance in technology capability and price.